Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and this right here is my TV. I have this TV in my bedroom, and there are so many things that I love about this TV that I would like to share with you. So this TV I got a couple of years ago, and I can tell you that I have always been really happy with this TV. I have absolutely no complaints. I love everything about this TV, and I'm very happy that I was able to acquire it. And one of the things that I really like about this TV is the size. I have a relatively small bedroom, so I like that this TV is big enough that I can view movies and videos very well. And at the same time, it's not so big that it looks bad on my bedroom. So that's something that I really like. This is a 43-inch TV. And I also really like the quality of the images in this TV, like the movies and the videos, they just look amazing. So basically, it's like I can have my little own movie theater in my bedroom. So that's something that I really like. And that is my point of view.